I believe AI in today's business landscape is the modern day industrial revolution. We are in a day and age that I truly believe if people do not get on board with AI, they're ultimately going to be left behind. Either you get on the train and you start to move with it now, but as the train starts moving, if you don't get on, you're going to get hit by that train.
Scott's train analogy isn't just a gut feeling, it's a data-backed reality. Our research shows that over 3/4 of business leaders see failing to adopt AI as a direct risk to their future. It's why an incredible 92% of businesses are already redesigning their entire workflows around AI. They aren't just looking for minor tweaks, they're looking for a total transformation in efficiency.
Some of the challenges that we have with having such a large team is consistency across the organization. Because we have people that are across the globe, and because we're working in different software systems is vastly more detailed, we have to really bring our people together in order to produce consistent and reputable work. So what we did is we built an AI model that takes GAAP, the generally accepted accounting principles, which is the foundation for our accounting in our country, and the CFMA, the book, which is the industry backbone to construction accounting, and put them in as a foundational Bible to our agent. And that agent now references and cites those books of knowledge when our employees interact with it.
But this isn't about replacing the 80 people on Scott's team. It's about giving them superpowers. By using AI, firms are seeing a massive lift in quality. In fact, 86% of leaders say AI actually empowers their employees to do better work, with the vast majority agreeing that this tech will create more opportunities for workers, not fewer.
AI is going to be critical in helping us triple our business by 2027. We don't intend on reducing any employees. In fact, we will continue to increase. But what AI is going to allow us to do is to change the way we do work. And instead of us having to spend a ton of time digging through the minutia to try to figure out what the problems are, AI is allowing us to look at things from both a micro and macro perspective to help tell the story. That helps us speed the process up, and ultimately now we can take on more clients as a result of that.
Scott's transition from digging for details to telling the story is exactly what modern firms are looking for. Today, 62% of leaders worry their current tools just won't cut it for tomorrow's challenges. They're turning to AI because it's simpler, faster, and, most importantly, it delivers a higher return on investment than almost any other technology on the market.
The reality is AI is here to stay. It is part of our everyday life now, and it's only going to get better. As AI evolves, it's going to take on more tasks. It's getting smarter every day, and it's going to do things that it can't do today. But what that allows us to do is refocus our efforts, refocus our employees to start to look at and analyze and to provide value so that we can get across the finish line faster and more efficiently.
You don't have to just watch the train go by. You can be the one driving it. To see how high-growth firms like Red Hammer are winning with integrated intelligence, click the link below to read our full 2026 Enterprise Technology Benchmark Report.